This animation will explain the basic principle of AR-15 style rifles, such as the M16. The standard M16 was equipped with a carrying handle and iron sights. The rear and the front sight could be adjusted with a cartridge to zero the rifle. A low-light level sight system for the M16 was also available. It featured a rear sight with a larger aperture of 7mm and a front sight with radioactive tritium for visible light at night. Newer versions have been equipped with a low-light level system and an elevation knob for better targeting. Today, a lot of accessories are available for AR-15 style rifles. Fluted barrels save weight and dissipate heat easily. Let's have a look at the M16's trigger mechanism. Initially,